पर एक चीज है, आज के टाइम पे दारा सिकोह को बहुत प्रमोट किया जा रहा है।
हाँ, मैं उसी पे आ रही
वो
हूँ।
दोनों चीज एक साथ खड़े, आमने सामने खड़ा करने के लिए अगेन।
क्लियरली ये जो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट अप्रोच होती है, मुझे वैसी हिस्ट्री में पसंद नहीं होती है। वो ऐसा नहीं है कि दारा शिकोह बहुत ही अमेजिंग बंदा था, एंड दारा शिकोह हैड हिज ओन फ्लॉज। ही वाज एन अल्कोहलिक बाय द वे, जस्ट लाइक हिज ग्रैंडफादर।
लिटरेचर का आदमी है तो
जहांगीर,
ऑब्वियसली हाँ।
right? Like how you pull that stereotype up. Literature पढ़ता है तो पीता तो होगा ही. I mean maybe, I don't know, but he was clearly an alcoholic. And then he had never really fought a very well seasoned battle in his life at all. He was
वेरी क्या
Shahjahan.
एक भी किया उसने? एक भी नहीं किया होगा।
Almost कभी नहीं किया होगा. He was this blue-eyed boy of Shahjahan and Mumtaz. They loved him. They thought he's handsome. He's very cultured, a man of letters.
From Eton.
From Eton, right? And a very, overall amazing boy. They were completely enamored by him. And Shahjahan absolutely wanted him to be king. But what is interesting is, उससे पहले ये रीत चली आ रही थी कि जिसको डेक्कन का जिम्मा मिलता है, वो बनता है किंग। जहांगीर के समय से। तो जहांगीर के समय में खुरम got it, Shahjahan got it. And then he became king because Deccan, starting during Akbar's later life and with Jahangir had become a very problematic frontier. Because Deccan को, और ये इन लोगों को पहले सल्तनत से भी सीखना चाहिए था. It's very difficult to govern the Deccan like that. तो उनको वो होगा, he's going to be the next king. But they didn't like him like that, right? There is this idea that he was probably not a very good-looking man or whatever, and they just didn't think that he was good enough for the job. He was like, भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? कि मैं काम करूँ सारी जिंदगी, Deccan में अपना सर खपाऊँ. And then this man, जो सारी जिंदगी अपनी किताबें लिखी हैं, alcohol गटकी है, he becomes the ruler. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. So there was obviously a civil war that ensued. Battle of Samugad. It was very easy for Aurangzeb to win it, despite the fact कि दारा शिकोह के पास पूरा लाभ लश्कर था, मुगल लाभ लश्कर था, but Aurangzeb had his own loyalists, and he won this. And it was not, उसका end बड़ा ही crude था, but I think there was also this personal jealousy that constantly Aurangzeb felt and with दारा शिकोह, because there was this idea कि why am I not good enough for my parents? I think उनका वो थोड़ा childhood वो भी issue था. तो obviously he was beheaded, right? Everybody knows that. People आज ये myth लेकर आ गए कि शाहजहां was beheaded. अरे भाई नहीं, he was not.